Hey, what's up everyone? I'm dealing with a Chevy or a GM cargo area latch. These things fall apart all the time. So what you want to do to get them back together is you want to just basically put it in here like this. And then when that's in like that, we're going to take this outer piece, and as long as the tabs aren't broken, you're going to just push this down onto here. And the hardest part of this thing is just being able to squeeze it hard enough to have those clips clip into place, because when you do, the other side's going to want to unclip. So you just got to kind of work all the sides at once. But that's it. That's how you put it back in like that. And thanks for watching.
Guys, I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.